Many of my patients come to see me because they are starting to see signs of aging. Whether they're experiencing fine lines, loss of density, or even coarse wrinkles, aging is a concern for many of my patients. One of the most effective products I recommend to my patients is the Growth Factor Serum by Zeo Skin Health. The product works by strengthening the skin's cellular matrix and stimulating collagen and elastin to reduce the signs of photoaging, improving the skin's density over the course of a few weeks. This is also a great product regardless of whether your patients are doing procedures or not.
At Zeo Skin Health, innovation is absolutely critical to what we do within our company. And to prove that innovation, we actually commissioned a 12-week study on 41 female patients with moderate to severe signs of photoaging and aging. After just 2 weeks, we were able to, through bioinstrumental data, show a 50.9% increase in skin elasticity. We were also able to measure through high-resolution ultrasound a 34.7% improvement in skin restructuring and redensifying. One of the most important things that we also did with that was we were able to benchmark over 750 patients through a historical database and correlate those to our product's impact on the patients that were enrolled within the study. And in 12 weeks, we were actually be able to show a reversal of signs of aging to make you look 6 years younger. The data was also analyzed by an expert clinical grader who evaluates skin before and after using a 5-point ordinal scale, which is the very common best practice by clinicians. And the patients evaluated were found to have a 19% improvement in wrinkles and 27% improvement in overall skin radiance in just 12 weeks.
Basically, I see the Zeo Skin Health Growth Factor Serum as a foundation for people of all ages. Whether you're young and you're just starting your anti-aging skincare routine, or you're older, your 60s, 70s, and 80s, the Zeo Skin Health Growth Factor Serum is that foundation. You can build from it and add or subtract anything to that so that your skincare routine really will be maximized.